this lesson, we're going to add Slider Pro. It's a great slider for your content. As you can see here, you already got 2 items. So let's move this over. So when you scoot over, then you can be able to see what's coming up next. And you can customize this as always. So let's start off with the first one. Slider 1. So Quix preview item. You can put whatever text you want to be there. And this is the background image. So let's click this here. We're going to choose something. So I'm going to grab this image here. All right, so now the image is loaded, has been added. I'm just going to grab it and do the same thing for the next slide. And once both of them has been added, you see I changed the text. You can change the text as well. You can have the call, click me, takes you to the next one, and you can scroll down. You have the content alignment in the middle, the display. So let's put this one. And if you wanted to add more, you just click to add more and just follow the same thing. It's going to show up just like this here. And then you go over to the display. You can show the title, the content, the button. If you want to enable icons, you can do that, but I'm going to disable that. And then the overlay. So this is where you go in and you add your personal touch. You enable what you want and you disable what you don't want. You can change a lot of things to fit the screen. So I'm going to leave the customization and the tweaking up to you to be creative.